Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing both devices. Charge the 3D Pulse above 50% and power it on, then open the official 3D Pulse app on your iPhone. Once done, give the app Bluetooth and location permission when prompted so it can scan reliably. Make sure your iPhone's Bluetooth is active in Control Center. Do not pair in Settings. Instead, tap the app's Pair button to start Discovery, because the device uses BLE advertising that the app handles directly. You'll see the 3D Pulse listed in the app scan results. Tap its name to initiate pairing. The app handles the BLE handshake and will often prompt for a firmware update. Allow that update to avoid connectivity bugs. Once the update is complete, follow on-screen calibration. Place the device where instructed and perform the short movements or measurements. Make sure you're logged into the app account if required, because user settings and device binding are stored server-side and need that linkage. You finish by confirming the app displays connected and that live data or status values update. If the device fails to connect, force close the app and restart the 3D Pulse, then reopen the app. This resolves most BLE race conditions. If problems persist, toggle airplane mode on iPhone for 5 seconds or reset network settings as a last resort and rerun pairing. Remember, firmware mismatch or denied Bluetooth permissions are the most common causes. Make sure permission.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.